Boxing of this Gigaset wireless cordless phones. It's got two handsets inside. The model number of this Gigaset is AL415 A Duo. So this is how the box looks from this side. Has got it says 100 phone book entries, 18 hours talk time, 20 minutes recording time if somebody leaves a voicemail, and it has got the hands-free facility, so your speakerphone. And on this side, again, AL415A Duo, Gigaset, and made in Germany. On the back of this, it has got all the instruction and the features. On this side of the box, it's just showing that the both handset has got large extra bright display, blue colored. The font of the handset is quite big, so it's easy to like dial out and dial. And also it has got the illuminated keypads, so that's again a plus point for Gigaset cordless phones. Okay, we are just going to do unboxing now. Come on. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so the first thing comes out is the manual. So Gigaset AL415A, it's got all the instruction, everything inside. So put that on side, and you see inside here you've got two handset. I guess it needs a battery, so we'll have to put the battery, install a battery. So two handsets, right? What else? Okay, the telephone cable, so one goes into your telephone cord, one into your this, what do you call it, base unit. So one base unit, and then another, the main base unit, where you keep your main phone. Okay, so we've got two base unit, two handset, and what else? It's a charger. Yeah, so standard UK plug, and that's how the pin looks. Okay, and you got another charger. Okay, with this one is slightly different because this is going to go into the base of the other one, and it's not the like the previous one has got a standard regular size pin. This one has got a different kind of pin, and I'll see how we can just fit it in. Okay, and right, these are the batteries, so there's nothing else. So these are the batteries you're getting. Yeah, so rechargeable AAA battery. I think it's the same thing here. So what we're going to do, we're going to install a battery, and then I'll just take over from there. So just installed the battery. By the way, both handsets are exactly the same, this one and that one. There's no difference at all. And this pin goes in here, in the base of this base. Okay, basically it just slots in, and now just plug it in. The battery are, I think, just needs charging up. We'll just go through the menu. Okay, so that's how the blue display looks. Alarm clock, audio settings, alarm clock, audio settings, and settings. Okay, so settings, date and time, handset, base. Go to audio settings, handset volume, sound. Okay, just gonna go through a ringer melody. By the way, this is on a low volume setting, yeah.
I'll show you how highest it can go. So I'm just gonna go into audio settings, handset volume, battery low, handset sound, from low to high. Okay, let's go back to handset sound, finger melody, just a little bit up. So that's it. I'm not gonna go through all the function, but this is how the Gigaset AL415 looks. They both are basically, I don't know the call quality, but I'm sure it's German. Hopefully they do a good handset. I have had one in the past and it was fantastic, no problem at all. So I'll just quickly show you the base and how it looks performed. So here you got your answering machine play button as well. You can do a speakerphone here. That's your speakerphone, hands-free. And yeah, fast forward, volume up and down. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.